Melusine, Birds of Many Feathers by Dr.Geraldine Oades-Sese, illustrated by Francesca Guerrero. Melusine jumped out of bed and quickly dressed for her big adventure. Today begins her quest to find her mystery bird. Melusine grinned and threw the curtains wide open. She knew that call anywhere. "Good morning, red-bellied woodpecker." The shock of red on the back of her neck made her easy to spot. "You're not my mystery bird. My mystery bird sounds like choo, 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 whistle, 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 potato chip, potato chip, potato chip." Melusine raced downstairs to the backyard with her camera and birding gear. "Kamusta po? How are you?" she shouted as she dashed out the back door. Then a brilliant red bird flitted out of the bushes and up to the treetop. As he fluttered his feathers, he trilled, "Birdie, birdie, birdie." Melusine tiptoed through the grass. Crack! Coo, coo, coo. 3 bluish-gray birds fluttered from the power lines overhead. "You can't be my mystery bird. You are rock pigeons." Out of the corner of her eye, she noticed something creeping up a tree trunk. Oh, how that little bird blended perfectly with the bark. Could you be my mystery bird? Melusine had never seen this bird before, so she flipped the pages of her bird identification book. "Aha! You're a brown creeper. What a treat! I have a new bird to add to my list." "See, see, see," sang the brown creeper. But you're not my mystery bird." Just then, a pair of black-capped chickadees flew down onto her bird feeder to snatch sunflower seeds. "Hey, sweetie, hey, sweetie, hey, sweetie," they greeted. "Bonjour, good morning, my cute chickadees." Melusine watched patiently, hoping her mystery bird would appear. "Kia, kia, kia!" All the other birds scattered in all directions. Melusine knew that call. That must be a red-shouldered hawk. "Oh no! You're going to scare my mystery bird," she thought. Melusine searched and searched, but the only bird she spotted was a blue jay perched on the tree. "Kia, kia, kia." And closer, she realized the hawk calls were coming from the blue jay. "You clever bird! You scared the others away. Now I'll never find my mystery bird." "Bonjour, Mel. Good morning," Papa said, coming into the yard. "It's time to go to the market." Melusine pouted, disappointed that her search had ended. But wait, she thought, maybe she'll find her mystery bird there. Melusine followed her parents to the market, where they greeted many friends. "Konnichiwa, Melusine-chan." "Good afternoon," greeted Mr. Tanaka. "Konnichiwa, Tanaka-san." "Good afternoon," Melusine replied with a respectful bow. "Bon après-midi." "Good afternoon," waved Philippe as he walked by with his dog. "Bon après-midi, Philippe," echoed Melusine as she waved back. Melusine enjoys learning different ways to say hello to her friends and neighbors. As they walked, Melusine could hear the many languages spoken around her as she thought. The chatter at the market was just like the different sounds the birds made in her backyard. Like her feathered friends, people came in many different colors, sizes, and shapes, and with different abilities. The market fair was where people and birds flocked and ate together. Just then, a grayish-brown bird landed next to her. Choo, choo, choo. Whistle, whistle, whistle. Potato chip, potato chip, potato chip. Melusine's eyes widened. It's you. You're my mystery bird. I thought I would never find you. Wheel, 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 replied the strange bird, mocking a car alarm to Melusine's delight. Hello, bird. You don't look like a house sparrow or a goldfinch, and you're not a car. How did you learn to make all those sounds? Mel, that's a mockingbird, said Papa. Did you know mockingbirds can learn hundreds of songs? Even car alarms? Yes, even car alarms, Papa said. You're my first mockingbird. Did you know we're alike? I know more than one language too. Yay, 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 agreed the mockingbird as they laughed together. Mel, it's time to go. How about asking your birding pals to join us at the wildlife refuge one day? There'll be thousands of birds to see, said Papa. Melusine's eyes gleamed, brimming with excitement. Au revoir, goodbye, my mockingbird. Bye-bye, goodbye, exclaimed Melusine as she waved goodbye. Her mystery bird was très magnifique, magnificent. Ang galing, very good. Melusine couldn't wait to go birding with her friends at the National Wildlife Refuge. But what kind of birds will she see, she wondered. Fighting her excitement as she lay in bed, Melusine lulled herself to sleep, softly mimicking the songs she heard that day. The end.